Changes to location permission in Chrome on Windows. From Chrome 144, you might find that Chrome requests permission to access your location through a Windows system dialog even after you have allowed a website to see your location. This change gives you more control over your data and aligns Chrome with recent privacy enhancement in the Windows operating system. This post explains more about the change to location permission. What has changed in Windows? Microsoft has updated how Windows 10 and 11 protect your privacy. As detailed in the Microsoft developer documentation, Windows now require that any application requesting access to Windows location services must first get your permission through the main system-wide location settings. Many websites such as mapping services or local business request your location to provide helpful location-based features. When a site asks for this information, Chrome forwards that request to you and lets you decide to fulfill the request you approve. Chrome needs to ask Windows for your device location. Granting this permission at the system level allows Chrome to provide location information from Windows to the websites you trust, a new layer of control for you. Because of the change in Windows, there is now a two-step process for granting location access. Website permission: you first grant or deny a specific website request to see your location from within Chrome. This is the permission prompt you have always seen. System permission: if you grant permission to the website, Chrome then asks for permission to access your device location at the operating system level. This is the new Windows dialog you are seeing. Note that this system dialog may appear only once. After decision is made, you can always change this setting in Windows settings, privacy and security location. This ensures that the websites can't bypass your system's privacy control. Granting this permission allows Chrome to provide you the most precise and reliable location to the sites you have approved. You are always in control. You have final say. Chrome will never share your location with a website without you first granting permission to that site. System level control: this change gives you additional system-wide layer of control. You can manage which application have access to your location at any time through Windows setting, privacy and security and location. We believe this change is a positive step forward for user privacy, giving you more granular and centralized control over your personal data.